In April 2019, Google officially shut down Google Plus after announcing it back in December of 2018. Google Plus for me was a very big part of the beginnings of this channel and my company. So I felt it would be somewhat necessary to make a video going through kind of my experience of Google Plus and the Google Plus Takeout folder. If you're not familiar with Google Takeout, it allows you to take your data from Google, download it as a copy if you delete your account or you want to migrate to a different account. They offer Google Plus users the ability to take out all of their Google Plus data, including posts and pictures. I have that right here with me, and I figured let's go through in this video, reminisce about the good old times of Google Plus and what we posted back when we started this channel in 2012. So here is what Google Plus looks like now. No longer available for consumer and brand accounts. So yeah, it's officially dead, but we got Google Plus Takeout over here. This is actually a pretty cool thing. If you download your Takeout, they make an index page for you, an HTML page, and you can then download that and you can put it on a normal browser and you can actually see it as if it were almost a real web page, which is kind of cool. It better organizes all the data. So we're going to be going through some of the posts. It's actually pretty nice here that it does show you what they say for the most part. So look at the very first post we made on Google Plus, August 3rd, 2012. I am so excited for the iPhone 5. So there you go. That was the first thing we posted on Google Plus, was that. So it's kind of cool. See, we got stuff talking about the Mac Mini. I did get that, the first generation Mac Mini. It is. Let's see. Here it is. This is the first generation Mac Mini. I have it right here. It's in slate. This is what they called the black before they got space gray. It's called slate. It's just kind of slow. It's been left behind in software updates, but I got it right here. It's kind of cool. I like how I posted the same thing twice within a period of 6 minutes. Check out my videos on YouTube. Just search iAppleTech128. Our original iAppleTech128 logo said iAppleTech128 and then like circle us on Google Plus by searching for Mark Paris. It was crazy. This was before we even came up with a saying or any sort of slogan at all. So yeah, I guess this is before I knew how to put links in my Google Plus posts. Fun fact, we did not get, or I guess not, it wasn't we that time, me, I didn't get my first Mac until 2013, maybe. So August up until I think 2013, this was all done on the iPad 2nd generation. That was my main computer was an iPad, so it was very cool. This is back when I was obsessed with Angry Birds. We got Angry Eggs. It's kind of cool. For me, this was the time that I was really excited about because the iPhone 5 was just coming out and I got the iPhone 4, then I got the 4S right after that. And the iPhone 5 got me so excited and it made me like a huge Apple fanboy at that time. So there's a lot of things about the iPhone 5, like +1 if you're excited for the announcement, if you're excited for the iPhone 5. Oh, check out Amazing Alex. I remember this. It's actually pretty fun. I don't think they support that anymore. I remember that game. It's one of the only games I bought. The Nexus 7, $200 on sale. Very cool. I was going to get the Nexus 4. Yeah, maybe it was the Nexus 5. This is the Nexus 5. That was my first Android phone I wanted. My first Android phone ended up being the OnePlus One. So that's kind of cool. If you look here, all of these posts are within like a span of a week. I just went crazy putting things on Google Plus. It was kind of interesting. And like I was doing like 10, 15 posts a day for quite a long time. I don't really do a ton of social media anymore. Kind of sad. Do you like this logo better? Let's see what that is. Oh, that's crazy. So a little story for you. I didn't know how to make logos, especially not on my iPad. So what I did was I went to Vistaprint, and that was where we made the original iAppleTech128 logo. It was on Vistaprint. So I think this might have been in GIMP, maybe. And so yeah, it's a pretty crazy logo right there, all of that stuff. Check us out on Google Plus by searching Mark Paris. Our email, or email us. Why would you put that in a logo? That was some crazy times there. I remember this. I did app of the day every single day. There's an appoftheday.com. Let's see if this exists anymore. No, it's not even around. So app of the day was some website where they put like a featured app every single day. And I published out on Google Plus and our website every single day until they stopped doing that. Then for like a month, I said there's no new app of the day. Then eventually I figured it out. They're not doing it anymore. And so I've used Google Plus on and off ever since 2012, but I went pretty crazy in 2012. Every single day I was just going crazy posting stuff. So, yeah, we're not going to go through everything, of course. And it's just the beginning stuff that was pretty cool. Weird stuff that I was doing. Okay, now we're going to take a look at some of the pictures I posted. See oh, look at this one. I remember this. This is the original iPod Shuffle. It's kind of cool. The lanyard snaps into this cap. You pull the cap off, you get a USB port in there. It's kind of interesting. If you wanted to see our original Apple collection, that's it right there. That was our original box collection and demonstration. All of our Apple products, any featured boxes we have. Now, if you take a look at our closet with our Apple box collection, it's crazy. There's a ton of stuff, but this is our starting point. So big thumbs up for those of you that remember our old office. It was pretty cool. It was just one giant room. Now we got 2 offices right now, 2 rooms. This is when I just got the Rode PSA-1 for my Blue Yeti, both of which I'm still using today. But even back then we had the Thunderbolt display. This was running all off of the MacBook Air. There we go. There's the back of the desk. This is even before we got the Thunderbolt display. This was a square Dell monitor that was older than anything in the office. There's just so many posts that I have. It's just kind of hard to find everything. My desk has never been so empty. Let's see. I believe this is when I ended up taking the Thunderbolt display back because the USB port stopped working. Oh, but maybe not. No, I'm not sure when. But we got a Mac Mini there. So that was after the MacBook Air's time. Then I got the Mac Mini. Now I got the Mac Pro. So unfortunately, Google Plus is dead. There's nothing we can do about it now. But I do have my Google Takeout folder. I can keep looking through some of the stuff. I can share some interesting things with you guys. If you remember Google Plus, let me know what your experiences were with it down in the comment section. If you like this video, feel free to leave a like and hit the subscribe button for more videos like this. This is Mark with That Tech, and I will see you in the next one.